Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this pretty burgundy curly wig I was sent from Kriyya. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We won't get it together. But this is what the box looks like. See, that's how it's spelled. Y'all correct me in the comment section down below. This is what the wig looks like now. First glance, you would think this is a 5x5, but it's actually not. It's a lace part. So this will probably be great for people who don't like lace front wigs or who don't know how to apply lace front wigs. This is easy. You can either wear this glueless or apply lace adhesive. But I'm going to go in and I am going to pluck the hairline. Now, it doesn't give you that much room to work with, but it is doable. You can do it if you want to. You don't have to go in and pluck the hairline, you guys, but I'm itching to do it. So that's what I do. I go in and pluck the hairline just to make it a little bit more thinner in the top part. Even I'm not saying that it was real thick, but I just want it to look natural. You got me? Y'all know how I feel about these new cats. But I do go in and apply my wig with some lace adhesive. I can't remember which one I'm using. Okay, I'm using an olive oil fixer spray. And like I said before, you don't have to use glue or any type of lace adhesive if you don't want to. Just make sure you get your right cap size so you would be able to wear this wig glueless. Now, the only thing about this wig is you don't have really options as far as where the part goes. I mean, you can shift the wig to the left or the right to give you a side part, but that's about it. You can't pull this up into a ponytail. So I know that this is probably not going to be an option for some people, especially if you prefer a lace front over a lace part. It just all depends on your preference. But the color, I'm gonna just say this is my color, okay? It just hit the skin so good. I did go back in and fix up the edges just a little bit. I didn't do too much, but this is what the wig looks like with the original curls, and I did go in and wet it so you guys can see what the curls look like wet. But overall, y'all, I like this wig. This is cute. Like I said, it's not going to be for everybody, but if you have a hard time applying lace front wigs, check this wig out. Or if you are a beginner, check this wig out, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and leave the links in my description box down below, and I will see y'all in my next video.